Hi, my name is Nathan Meyer. I'm a partner at Jaburg Wilk. My practice areas include insurance coverage, insurance bad faith, insurance UM and UIM litigation, as well as commercial litigation, professional liability litigation, and general liability litigation. There's actually been some very favorable rulings for insurance companies regarding punitive damages. It started with a United States Supreme Court case in 2003 in Campbell. There's also recently been some Court of Appeals cases that has significantly reduced punitive damages award amounts to much more reasonable amounts in Arizona. In the United States Supreme Court case Campbell, the court actually reduced a $145 million punitive damage award all the way down to $1 million, or at least they told the Utah Supreme Court, we're sending this back to you and you need to reduce this award to something around $1 million. In a recent Arizona Court of Appeals case, there was a $54 million punitive damages award, and the Court of Appeals initially reduced that from $54 million down to $620,000, and then the Arizona Supreme Court actually reduced it from $620,000 all the way down to $155,000, so a substantial reduction. Also, you have another recent case called Ariano v. Prime Life Insurance Company, and they reduced a punitive damages award from about $1.3 million all the way down to $320,000. So courts are really reducing some of these egregious punitive damages awards amounts down to something much more reasonable. In Campbell v. State Farm, that 2003 United States Supreme Court case, the court kind of established 3 guideposts that courts should look at when they're reviewing these large punitive damages awards. One is reprehensibility, the degree of reprehensibility of the defendant's conduct. 2 is the disparity, and that's kind of where you get the ratio of the punitive damages to the compensatory damages. And the 3rd is comparability to civil authorized fines, and those are usually fines authorized by statutes. For example, in Arizona, there is a maximum $50,000 fine per 6-month period when you violate the Unfair Claims Settlement Practices Act. So those are the 3 things that courts look at when considering whether to reduce punitive damages.